LHD8100 Alarm System Communication Distance Field Test. Reliable alarm transmission at 800 meters. Test equipment, LHD8100 Alarm Panel. Wireless accessories, DKF810FK Wireless Keypad, B810FK Wireless Remote Control, LH910FK PIR Motion Detector, HO033FK Wireless Door Contact. Test environment, outdoor open area test. Straight line distance, 800 meters. Recording setup, 3 synchronized camera views. Alarm panel view, mobile phone or app view. Device operation view. Starting point, the LHD8100 alarm panel was installed at the starting location. Test procedure, the tester carried the wireless accessories and walked away from the panel while performing communication tests at different distances. At 366 meters, HO033FK wireless door contact test. The magnetic contact was OP to trigger an alarm. The mobile app immediately received the alarm notification. The alarm panel, at the starting point, and a second mobile phone also responded simultaneously. At 550 meters, LH910FK PIR motion detector test. Human motion detection and tamper alarm functions were tested. The detector bracket was removed, and motion was detected. Alarm notifications were immediately received on the mobile app. The alarm panel and mobile phone at the starting point responded instantly as well. At 808 meters, DKF810FK wireless keypad communication test. The wireless keypad was tested at 808 meters. Alarm panel and mobile app at the starting point successfully received the signal. B810FK wireless remote control communication test. The remote control was operated while facing toward the alarm panel. Both the alarm panel and mobile app successfully received and processed the signal. Attention! The test site is not flat. There's a large slope about 700 meters ahead that will interfere with signal reception. Test conclusion: LHD8100 alarm system demonstrated stable wireless communication at a tested distance of 800 meters in the outdoor open area environment.